Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to install LED conversion into your Hyundai i30n. I don't know why the manufacturers are still putting halogen bulbs in their cars, but they look terrible, so this should fix that problem for you. We've gone through a whole bunch of different LEDs and different manufacturers and different layouts to make sure these have the correct light output and are compatible with your Hyundai i30n. So this kit we've put together here, this is everything you're going to need. You'll need your car, obviously. You've got a 10mm ratchet, a flat blade screwdriver, an interior light, a dome light for your boot, license plate lights, map lights, 2 indicators for your rear. The front of the car already has LEDs. Now, what you'll need to make sure with these is they need to be 150-degree bayonet fitting. They need to have a resistor inside of them to make sure they don't hyperflash. And lastly, they need to be CANBUS compatible. Otherwise, you'll end up with errors on your dashboard saying you've got a bulb out. Lastly, your reverse lights. These need to be very bright, otherwise they're going to be completely useless for you to see at night. Again, these need to be CANBUS compatible. And we'll also be throwing in this pair of N decals for your side skirts. That's worth about 20 bucks. All right, let's go to the car. We'll install all this stuff, and I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to make a huge difference to what the car looks like at night. Here's the finished result. We've got indicators, reverse lights, the license plate lights, and there we go, it's interior lights, and that's what they would have looked like before.